I'm pretty sure you already know what Microsoft is. Microsoft Word is the most popular text editor on computers and mobile phones. Microsoft is one of the biggest companies in the world, with thousands of employees and hundreds of different products. But let's say you have never heard of the Microsoft Word. This is a document-making program from Microsoft. You can use it to type, design, and give presentations. But did you know that you can also use Word to make money? In this video, I'll talk about how to use Microsoft Word to make $400. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel ProFinance and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Keep in mind that this platform is straightforward to use. Because of this strategy works best for the people who have never used it before. In reality, many people know about this chance, so you should jump on it immediately and try to improve your life in many ways by making money online. This is even better because it's free and guaranteed to work if it is set up correctly. To use Microsoft Word to make $400 right now, you will need a phone, a computer, and an access to the internet. Watch this video all the way through. First, though, go to HireSign.com, which is the first thing you need to do to get started. You see the bolded text, "Work from home," as soon as you land on the page. So, I think you can already use this to figure out what this platform is all about. HireSign is a platform for freelancing where you can look for online jobs in all fields. Here, you can make a lot of money from the comfort of your bed at home or anywhere else on the planet. I'll explain what this has to do with using Microsoft Word to make $400 right now in a short time. As you scroll down this page, you will see testimonials from the real workers worldwide who are a lot like you and me. And these reviews come from people who work in different fields. Here's one from a researcher, another from a designer, and a few more. HireSign gives you 4 big reasons to choose them. Work that's easy to do, can be done online or offline, has the best payout rates, and pays out earnings on time. HireSign has a lot of different jobs available, but if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will find some of the most popular work from home jobs. Once again, this service is free and can be used anywhere in the world. It can also be paid for in a variety of different ways. A page of work typed earns between $4 and $6 in compensation. Yeah, per page. This one is available for remote work on a full-time as well as part-time basis. Additionally, there is designing work that can be done from home, either on a full-time or part-time basis, and pays anywhere from $15 to $40 each job. Employment that includes doing paid surveys come in at number 3 on the list of the most wanted jobs. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's head back up here and select current vacancies. As you can see on this page, there are a number of high-paying jobs that may be done online. Even if you have never held a job before, you are still qualified to apply for any of these positions. Voice-based employment, ad publications, translation of the other languages, typing, proofreading, surveys, graphic design, PowerPoint slide, Excel spreadsheets, and other types of work are also available. But so, you don't have to look for other jobs. I'll show you the best job or way to use Microsoft Word to make $400 right now. Let's look at jobs that involve proofreading. As a proofreader, your main job is to find and fix typos and grammar mistakes made by the other people. In this job, you would look over books and other written materials to ensure they don't have any spelling or grammar mistakes. And don't forget that you could get up to $3 per page that you correct. So, you make more money the more pages you work on. Did I forget to mention that besides Microsoft Word in this video, I'll show you how to use one more piece of software that will do all the work for you. Now, if any of this sounds good to you, let's take a quick look at what you would need to do to start this job. Surely, you would have to be at least 16 years old, the youngest age at which people are considerable adults. As I've already said, you also need a desktop or laptop computer with a good hardware configuration. Also, you would need to have a copy of the Microsoft Office installed on your device. Microsoft Office comes with Microsoft Word, so you would need that too. Also, include a reliable way to connect to the internet and a cell phone to stay in touch with the client. Let me demonstrate how to create an account without spending any money. Make sure to carefully follow each step in this video to set up your account correctly and avoid making any mistakes. Now, scroll to the bottom of the website and click on the button that says Apply Here for Proofreading Job. You would go straight to this page, which tells you how to apply at HireSign. Here, we can see that we are on the step 2, which says Submit Job Application. Click the application form button at the top to go to this page, where you can fill out your credentials. Start filling in your information by entering your username, first name, last name, email, age, password, phone number, and gender. Now, based on what I say, do your best to fill in the blanks on the left side of this box. Clicking on the immediately will bring up a drop-down box where you can select the amount of the time you wish to offer as notice. The individuals who are considering your application will get the impression that you are prepared to begin working right away as a result of this. If you go with that choice, you won't have to wait more than a day to hear back about whether or not you were approved. When the next question asks what position you want, select Proofreading Job from the drop-down menu. When it comes time to select a nation, go with the one you call home. Pick a freelancer to handle the work that has to be done at the moment. This is of the utmost importance because it will make it less difficult for us to find employment. Here's some advice on how to write this section of the application, which is the section that's considered to be the most crucial. In this section, you will sell yourself so that your application can be approved as soon as possible. Your writing should be serious and clear about why you want the job and that you are ready to start working as soon as possible. Also, this message would let the client know you can handle the tasks given to you. When you're done, click this button to sign up, and I promise you will be accepted within 24 hours of sending in your application. Let's say just started a new job as a proofreader. You would get a lot of files with mistakes in grammar and spelling. Now, you can use Microsoft Word to automatically find these mistakes and get advice on fixing them. You would copy all the text from your client's file and paste it into a Microsoft Word document. As you can see, there are zigzag lines under some of the wrong word. There are also different colors. Some would be for spelling mistakes, some for grammatical mistakes, and some for repeated words. These are some of the words that Microsoft Word found to have some mistakes. If you see a zigzag line, click on it and then on the word or words that go with it. Go through the document and do this for every word, phrase, or sentence with these lines. After you fix the work, you send it to your client on HireSign and get paid. So that's all. How to use Microsoft Word right now to make $400. We hope you found our video interesting and informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel ProFinance. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.